Cold-pressed oils. Cold-pressed oils are vegetable oils that are obtained through a mechanical pressing process in which the seeds or fruits of the plants are squeezed without being subjected to high temperatures. This process is carried out at low speed and without the use of chemicals or solvents, which allows the nutritional properties and original flavors of the ingredients to be preserved. Cold-pressed oils are highly valued in healthy eating because they preserve the essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that are found naturally in the seeds and fruits of plants. In addition, their sustainable and natural production makes them more friendly to the environment than oils produced through chemical processes. Some examples of cold-pressed oils are olive oil, coconut oil, flaxseed oil, sunflower oil, and almond oil. These oils can have different nutritional and flavor profiles, making them suitable for different culinary uses. In summary, cold-pressed oils are vegetable oils obtained through a low-temperature mechanical process, without the use of chemicals or solvents. These oils preserve the nutritional properties and original flavors of the ingredients, and are highly valued in healthy eating due to their sustainable and natural production. If you like this information and you think it can also be useful to someone else, do not hesitate to share it. See you in the next video. Thanks for following us.